This beautiful one. Yeah, look at that.
Oh yeah! I saw that. Good job, Johnny.
Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Yeah,
You got a trout?
I got this one.
Yeah.
Rainbow trout, Johnny.
Yes, rainbow trout.
Oops.
What's up, puppy?
We can keep this one. We're going to keep this one, okay?
That one's a little too small.
Okay, never mind then.
Let me see.
Johnny, let's yes,
Okay, you deal
rainbow
with
trout.
that, Johnny. Deal with that.
Yeah, hold on. So, I got this little pike minnow. I know they're invasive species, but I'm gonna let it go. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, little fishy. You caught that one? Yeah, by the time I turn the camera on, you already have it in your hand.
Yeah. Okay, Johnny, do you want to deal with this? Please swallow it.
Okay, we're keeping
Up.
this one
Bring the Oops. Oh, she's crazy. Oops, she's stubborn. Come on.
Well, if you can let that one go, because we already got the other two.
No, no, that one is big. That one is big. That one is big. Come on, Johnny. That one is big.
Put yours in the water, meanwhile, puppy.
Come. It's another rainbow trout. Come on. Oh yeah, look at. Oh, that is beautiful. Woo! Woo! Yeah.
Non-stop fishing action.
Yeah, come Johnny, come close to me. Mommy's filming. Yeah, look at that.
We're keeping
Beautiful.
I'm keeping that one for sure.
This one too because they swallow it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, well, hold this one. I will work with this one.
So that is Rosie's sandcastle. Look at how beautiful it is.
Right here, you see, that's the door.
Oh, and that's a little house in there. Is that a Lego
Yeah.
piece?
Yeah, that. I don't think that's a Lego piece.
Oh. That one didn't? Okay, show it to me. Put it up. Whoa. Put it up. Johnny, I want to take a picture with you with it.
Oh, he snapped it. Puppy.
Yeah, it's another soccer things. Yeah, it's another soccer things. Look at that.
Sucker thing. Sucker fish, not sucker things.
Soccer fish, that things. Come on, Johnny.
Okay.
Let it go, okay?
Yeah.
We're not taking that one. And how about you? I can't film because I couldn't film.
Okay, take it off. And then hold it here so I can film
Okay.
you.
Oh,
No, grab
okay,
it, but
come on,
hold
let
it
go,
up, hold
let
it
go,
up so I
let
can
go.
take a picture of you.
Okay, never mind.
Okay, show it. Ah, is it gonna escape?
Okay.
Okay.
And then turn to this
All right,
side.
now
Johnny,
turn
so
to
we can take a
Puppy's side.
picture too. Look at that. Beautiful one. Look at that.
Non-stop action.
Beautiful one. Yeah.
Okay, now let it go.
Yeah.
Okay, now let it go.
Man, those
Nice.
fish.
See you. See you.
Yeah, that is the most.
Oh yeah, you got some. Yes, you got one. You got one. Come on. There's big one. There's good one. Come on, Rosie. Oh! Yeah, that. Come on. Come on. It's a carp.
No, that's a sucker fish.
Sucker fish. Oh wow.
We're gonna let this one go. It's too
Yeah,
big.
wait, but I need to film that.
Oh no, I got it stuck in there.
That one is a sucker fish and that one's a pike minnow.
Wow.
this
Watch
guy
out, watch
stuck?
out, watch out.
That's huge.
Wow, look at you, Rosie. Oh, look, mommy, what?
Yeah. We're gonna let this one.
Yeah, we need to let it go, that one.
I saw that one. And at
It's
least
huge.
Oh, yeah, that's ready to go. One more picture, mommy. Yeah, good job. So we have, what is this one, Johnny? Wait.
it's a large
Suck-
large scale suckerfish.
Okay, that is going to the water. And we have right here, we have pine meadow and rainbow trout. See you.
Bye bye.
You're free.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
One.
Oh wait. There we go.
How about it?
There we go.
Oh, you got it? You got it?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, again?
Not that big.
Oh yeah, it's a trout. No, it's a pine meadow.
Pike minnow.
Pike. Yeah.
I wanna let this one go.
Okay.
Yeah, let it go. Let me see. Johnny.
It's 9th.
Okay, pick it up. Whoa, is it like the other one?
Yeah.
Well, at least that one is, the hook is easy to take off.
It got hooked on its eye. Poor thing.
Ouch.
Ow.
I got one. Oh, let me see.
I'm filming you.
Oh, okay. I got one. It's another trout. Yeah, boy. Yeah, look at that. Oh, good sight. I love it. Look. Look right there. Yeah.
Wait, okay.
But it's about to die.
Okay, well, let it go.
Another one right there.
Okay, let it go.
So just let it go.
Okay, bye-bye, trout.
Okay, I'm taking this one.
We're taking that one?
Well, it's swallowed, so.
Oh, okay.
Fine. Can you hold it for me so I can deal with the fish?
Yeah.
Come on, hurry up. Hold. Come on, right there. Don't put it on the sand.
Here, give it to me.
Don't put it on the sand. You got it, Johnny. You got it.
Oh,
Yes, you got it. Come on.
yeah.
Let me see which one it is.
Oh my gosh, this is fighting. Woo. Oh, it's a carp.
It's huge.
Oh my gosh, that's huge. Oh wow. Yeah, right there.
And this one doesn't fight that hard.
Yeah, I noticed those don't fight that hard. Okay, get it off.
Well, I think this one's the biggest one.
Yeah.
You got it?
It's hard
Talk to me. Okay, what were you saying?
You see why it's called large-scale suckerfish?
Yeah? Okay,
Whew.
hold it up towards you.
This is like 2 feet, man.
Whoa, that one's huge.
Okay.
Okay, you can let it go.
I got
You
it.
got another one?
I got it. Woo! Come on. Yeah, look at that.
You got another
Yeah.
trout.
Oh yeah.
Nice.
This big one. Don't run away from me. Hey, you're right. Oh, he swallowed it.
It swallowed it?
Yeah.
We're taking this one.
Yeah.
But it's a pretty good size.
Yeah, it's beautiful one.
Put
Look
it
at
close
that.
to there.
Close to my face. Don't slap my face, okay? Don't slap my face.
Okay.
Nice one.
Hey, you just fished a crawdad. You're fishing a crawdad.
So greedy.
You just fished a crawdad, Johnny. Let me see. Let me see. Aw. Ah! Like, I need to get back in the water.
It knows. Oh. Okay, excuse me.
Para eso tiene el coso anaranjado. Hey.
It's a. Oh, sorry. See if I can touch it. Oh, this one's pretty hard.
Here, put it
Whee!
close to your face. It's saying hi. Put it closer to your face. It's saying hello there. Ah! Okay, let it go in the water.
Okay. There you go.
There you go.
Aw.
Bye-bye, little crawdad. It's not
Dude.
focusing. Oh, there it went.
Oh, there it goes.
Bye-bye. It's like I'm going to a safe distance.
I caught like 5 of them or 4 of them.
Really?
Yeah.
Nice, Nena.
This one that I caught so far. Nina was using a net and she caught 1 ton of baby trout.
Oh, look at that. Which one is this one?
Watch, get sucker. Fish.
Good job, Nena. So everybody got one.
Yeah.
Congratulations, Nena.
Like 5 little baby trout right there.
Nice. Good job, Nena. Where are we at? Right there. Nena, congratulations. You got the big one. Looks like. Yay. Well, actually, Mommy got the big one.
Yeah, but there we go. Nina, flip it over.
Nena,
Nina,
push.
kiss it,
So,
kiss it, and then put it in the water.
Yee. Watch out, watch out. Bye-bye.
No!
You got wet?
Oh no! Look over there.
I think she got one. Come on.
Did I catch one?
Yes, you got it. You got it. Yes, you got it. I can see it.
It's a trout?
Oh,
Tiny trout.
nice.
Wait,
You swallow it? Yeah, it's a trout. Oh, let it go, 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 let it go. Yes, yes, yes. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. You're fine. Yes, you're fine.
Hey, Mommy, that's a nice fish.
It's okay.
Oh, I caught it.
Yes, you got it. Yes, you got it. Oh, no, you got Mommy line too.
Well, yeah.
Oh, that's big one. That's big one. That's big one. Come on. It's another.
Come on.
Come on, come on. It's right here. It's coming, it's coming, it's coming.
Nina, look what I caught. Look in the water. Nina,
Look at Johnny.
look what I caught.
Can't see.
Right there.
Oh, there he is. Yep.
Oh.
Oh, escaped.
Oh, there he goes.
Escaped.
Mix of a rainbow trout and a brown trout. And
So we found them all night. Okay. Here we are seasoning them. The skin came right off the trouts, but not so with the whitefish. So now they're all cooked, and now we're going to try them. Yay!
you want to eat fish?
Yeah, you kind of have to break it in pieces and then see if it has any spines. Okay.
Good.